Alright, yeah, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little piece right there that's about 1 foot wide hanging down, and then that piece right there is about 4 feet. 6 feet, 4 feet, 4 feet wide. Anyway, it's about 4 feet wide, 6 foot long there, 1 foot wide there, and we're going to go drill a hole and stick the camera up there. Well, I used a stud finder and the drill, and I made a big hole in the ceiling. This is some neat stuff, man. Inspection camera. Yeah, let's see how this works. It's really neat looking down inside the couch. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. Alright, I had to improvise. I don't have the cables to plug in a recorder, or a video recorder, so I have to use the camera and record off a monitor. There it goes. Going up into the ceiling. Okay, let's measure. Now that's the floor from the second floor. That's the ceiling. Over here, it's the joist. It runs down the middle of the sagging part. Oh, don't look like it's split. It's good news. Jim, this thing is really tricky to mess with. Okay, with a camera head right about there. Okay. Right about there is where the actual bulge is, the center of the ceiling.